Kananook Creek has been here for hundreds of years. Originally it was owned by the indigenous people. They used to live here and fish in the creek and feed themselves from the creek. I suppose since Westerners came here, the whole area has become more populated with people. The other side of the river is completely now full of houses, and as a result of that, it's impacted the way the waterway is actually working these days. So the water's changed a lot because of all the buildings that have been going up. So originally the water that goes into the creek came from Seaford Flats, which is a marshland, but now that's water's pretty much dried up. So the water now that's in the creek has to be pumped in by Melbourne Water out of the bay. So the water going in now is a mixture of seawater and a mixture of runoff water from the roads. So the stuff that comes in from the roads is heavily polluted. So it has lots of hydrocarbons from car tyres, lots of heavy metals, things like cobalt. It has pesticides in it from people's properties. So the water now is actually not very pure. And in fact there's a black sludge that sits on the bottom of the creek, which is classed as toxic waste. The impact of the creek itself for the residents is that it's not seen as a recreational facility anymore. It used to be. We'd like to make it recreational again, but we need to clean the water for that to happen. We'd like to increase our membership because at the moment our membership is less than 100 people, yet there's thousands of properties that line the creek. If we get our membership numbers up, then typically the large number of people that actually sign up to a petition or whatever we do, then the better impact you will have on those organisations. But at the moment, it's a small group of people trying to make things better. We keep lobbying them, we'll write to them, but it's very difficult. The best that we can do is what you've seen us do today, is to try and maintain the banks of the river, to try and keep out the non-indigenous plants, to help protect and keep it as it should be, this whole area.